Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of cutting-edge technology. Ready to dive into the future? Today, we're exploring the top AI tools of 2024 that are set to revolutionize the tech landscape. First up, we've got ChatGPT. This incredible AI from OpenAI is making waves in the field of natural language processing. ChatGPT is not just any chatbot, it's a powerhouse that understands context, humor, and even emotions, making interactions feel incredibly human-like. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that can keep up with your jokes, understand your mood, and provide responses that feel genuinely thoughtful. Next on the list is Google AI. Google's suite of AI tools is designed to integrate seamlessly into our daily lives, making everything from work to play more efficient and enjoyable. Whether it's through advanced image recognition, predictive analytics, or smart home devices, Google AI is everywhere, enhancing our tech experiences. From identifying objects in photos to predicting future trends, Google's AI tools are making our technology smarter and more intuitive. Google AI is not just about convenience, it's about creating a seamless tech ecosystem that anticipates our needs and adapts to our lifestyles. Then there's IBM Watson. Known for its deep learning and data analytics capabilities, IBM Watson is a go-to for businesses looking to harness the power of AI. Watson helps companies gain valuable insights from their data, driving smarter decisions and fostering innovation. It's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips, capable of processing vast amounts of information and delivering actionable insights. Don't forget Microsoft Azure AI. With its robust cloud-based services, Azure AI is empowering developers to build, train, and deploy AI models at scale. Azure AI offers unparalleled flexibility and performance, making it a favorite among developers and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale AI development, Azure AI provides the tools and resources you need to succeed. It's all about staying ahead in the tech game, and Azure AI ensures you have the competitive edge with its high-performance capabilities. And finally, let's talk about Nvidia. This AI-driven video creation platform is a game-changer for content creators. With its intuitive interface and smart editing features, Nvidia makes it easy to turn your ideas into stunning videos. Whether you're a professional videographer or just starting out, Nvidia's AI tools help you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Nvidia is transforming the way we create videos, making the process faster, easier, and more enjoyable. And that's a wrap on the top AI tools of 2024. These innovations are not just pushing boundaries, but breaking them, setting new standards for what's possible with AI. These tools are paving the way for a future where technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of our lives, making the impossible possible. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Explore more AI tools and trends by subscribing now. Thanks for tuning in. By subscribing, you'll get the latest updates on AI advancements, tech trends, and more, ensuring you're always in the know. See you in the future. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.